Yes, I totally understand that nowadays lots of people are still not using CI. And I would like to say that in the modern times, everyone's talking about agile methodology and try to deploy at any time. But actually, without the support from CI, it's impossible. And also, to me, without using CI, it's just like not using source code version control. Sorry, but it is true. The benefits we got after switching from the standard way to Docker using the Android CI for using Android CI is that we feel really got less. It's less cost and it's less effort in maintenance, and also it's less problem. To me, it just feel like you have hired another experienced software engineer. It's really happy. In the last decades, I would say there are lots of different things happens in the mobile industry, and tons of different evolutions. I would like to say from different aspects. The first one is from the user level. From the user level, back then, users still have the low-end devices, and the performance is really bad. And or I would say, in other words, it's less powerful devices. Which the target of the application is more about to be functional, and then that's it. But nowadays things have been changed. We have a dedicated goal of design language, providing a better user experience, and now it's also getting more user friendly. We give more control to the users. I can still remember 10 years ago there was Symbian Signs. And with Symbian Signs, it's just like a EULA. User has no other option, either accept it or not using it. But now we give more controls to the users by providing the runtime permissions and this and that. From the other aspect is the developer. And so, of course, developers still have to optimize the performance. But with less constraints, you have more freedoms. From the language perspective, it has been migrated from Java to Kotlin, and also evolved from Objective-C to Swift. It not only bringing the better programming experience, but also it's less error prone. And with that, it really gives the user benefit because it's more resilient. It just bring less crash to the users, because in the mobile world, if you want to make a hotfix, it's not like you can ship it directly. You have to wait for the Apple review, or you have to wait for the user to adopt the fix. So it's not the easy thing, but it's getting better and better. And the other thing is, I have to mention about mobile. It's not like one single tech stack. It's like a completely different world. That's why now lots of different companies, all the community try to provide different solutions, providing you a full stack with one single language. For example, React Native and also Flutter by Google. The last thing I want to mention is the similarity. Just like Android and iOS, they are trying to learn from each other. I don't want to talk about the details because I don't want to bring a war here. But it is true. They become similar to each other, and they are learning from each other. I think Codemotion is so great so far. I really like it. And the thing I like the most is the diversity, because I talk with different people from different areas, different industries, different tech stack. I already learned from them a lot. And the vibrancy here is also great. Everyone's so excited to talk with different people. I would like to say that Codemotion, in one word, is diversity. And if I'm allowed to talk about a second word, then I would say vibrancy.